This is Pico de gallo. We made ourselves. It's chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped jalapeno, and a little bit of cilantro in there. And I have a container. And I have an avocado. Well, one lemon. Put that over there for now. Let's mash up this avocado. There is a big difference between guacamole and avocado. So you know. And there are many ways to do this. I've seen packages in the store. It's got, you know, chop up your avocado, put this in it, done. Okay. And I've done that. And it does work. But I prefer to do it this way. Put some Julio seasoning. Any Mexican seasoning, your favorite. Sprinkle. More can be added later if needed. Because this is the way I like it. Some Pico de gallo. And I'll mix that up. It's good, not quite yet. A little bit of black pepper. And a touch of sea salt. Now we're going to put our lemon juice in there. This is a lemon squeezy thingamajigger. No seeds. So what the lemon's gonna do is help keep it from turning brown. If you ever eat guacamole that doesn't turn brown, don't trust it. But this will help it last for at least till tomorrow. Give it another good mix. Voila, guacamole. Let's give it a try. That's good. What if you happen to like spicy guacamole? I've got some Sriracha sauce. As much as you want, or as little as you want, or none if you don't want. Mix that in. Now we're gonna have a little kick from the sauce and a little twang from the lemon juice. Let's try that. That's darn good. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I've got more videos coming up. Fast and easy homemade guacamole. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and next we're gonna be making homemade jambalaya. Yummy.